Hey everyone, in today's video, I'll be showing you how you can download and install Vampire's Crawlers game on your PC or your Windows device. So first, head over to the Steam website and here just click on this install option on the top and just click on the install Steam and just download it and install it on your PC. And after you download and install, just open it and sign up. And after you create an account, on here click on the search box and just type the Vampire Crawlers and you will find this game on the top. So just click on the Vampire Crawlers game. Now here just scroll down and you will see the demo version. If you want to try it, just click on the add to library, and if you want to buy the actual game, just click on the add to cart option. Now click on this view my cart option. Here you can simply click on the continue to payment option, and here you can simply pay the amount. After that, just go to your library and you will find this game and you can simply download and install it. I hope you guys liked this video, and if you did, please hit the like button and I will see you in the next one.